Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TOZO HT2 wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your headphones will not pair with Bluetooth, or they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any issues like this where they're not working properly, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't fix it and you decide you need a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a nice set of headphones. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing information off of here so that you can just set these headphones up like they're coming out of the box brand new, and it's really easy to do. So on these headphones, all you need to do is with the headphones turned on, you're just going to come in and push both the volume down and the volume up, or just the plus and minus buttons. You're just going to push and hold them simultaneously for 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, it will initiate a factory reset, at which point you can go ahead and turn them back on and set these up like they're just coming out of the box for the first time.